What's up, guys? We PixelBoss, and today we're going to show you our shoe collection of 2018.
First we got the Yeezys 350 Boost.
There. Right here.
The 350 Boost Yeezys. Actually, these are brand new. Pixel just got them yesterday.
That's why it still has a tag on it.
This one has a tag.
Oh, I took that one off.
Some people might say it's fake and stuff like that.
Yeah, but
it has
the real boost in it.
Mm-hmm.
And it actually says boost.
The outsole is,
Yeah, we already checked the...
We got this from Adidas.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. So
yeah, we got it from the Adidas store. So, yeah.
Brand new. This actually cost $7.50 for ours.
Yeah.
But, so...
Usually they're more online, but I guess we got them cheap.
Yeah, some people get them from DHgate, which, from my point of view, they should take that website down because it just, I hate that website, but pretty cool shoe. My point of view, I like them.
Yeah. All right, so I'll put these here, and these are.
And we actually got another pair.
Yeah.
But these didn't come in.
Yeah.
These were worn already.
Yeah, because if you look at the bottom, it's not as bright as these ones. You can see that right now. It's bright, but it's not as... And the boost is kind of dirty. But these are white, and these are kind of...
Darkish.
Yeah, they're darker.
And you could tell there's more...
There's more like yellowish and dirt on it.
And the inside of the shoe is kind of,
It's still got the 3 lines and all that. It's just, it's been worn. The sole's kind of messed up. So they're still good. And on to the next shoe.
So next we got the Adidas Human Race. The Cloud and Mood. There it is. So these were we got these off of Pharrell Williams, and this is another popular shoe. And actually, these cost more than the Yeezys, but supposedly they say it's like a hiking shoe. But I don't see it as a hiking shoe. I see it as a
running.
Yeah, like a running shoe, like a designer shoe. But I like it. These are pretty lit. But these were worn already. But I got these. I got these off of, like I said before, Pharrell Williams Adidas. These were actually these were on retail for $5.60, but the original price was $9.80. But I like this shoe, so on to the next shoe. Now we got the dirtiest shoe possible.
I haven't cleaned these at all. Last time I wore them like a couple months ago, to be honest. I've been wearing my Nikes a lot.
So these are both the Adidas. I think skate shoes.
Yeah.
But I would wear them, but
it's just the laces are pretty messed up. Like this thing came.
Even the bottom you can tell. But those are the cleaner versions.
Yeah.
But
these ones are cleaner because I just did a quick wipe on it with a rag. So that's why these are more cleaner than the original ones. Not the original ones. These ones. And this is blue.
But comment down below which is like the better color, because I think I would pick the blue.
Yeah.
It matches more with everything. But on to the next shoe.
Alright, next we have the Nike.
The Air Max.
I was about to say Nike Mag.
Nike Air Max Influrate. I don't know. Something like that. Well, these are pretty sick.
Inflate.
Yeah, inflation. So some kind of I don't know.
Yeah,
Lacy.
I got these from the Nike store. They are really good. I think I use them a lot for running. And
They're very comfortable.
yeah.
I mean, I never had these. I only own the Adidas and the Yeezys, but I mean, I really don't like it, but I kind of like the air bubble right here. Like when you walk, it feels kind of weird. But I think
they look good. It's just I wish there were high tops.
yeah, like the heel was a little bit longer. I mean, there might be different colors. There is, but I don't like red at all. I actually hate red, but I mean, I kind of like this shoe. It's not my favorite. It's not going to be my favorite, but yeah. So this is our collection of the Adidas
and
Nike
Nikes.
shoe.
So
if you have any questions, just comment down below. Like and subscribe. If we get 10 likes or more, we're gonna do a giveaway.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna be giving away a pair of Nike mags.
Air Mags or Yeezys, the real ones from Adidas. So
we might be giving away since we got 2. Oh my god. Oh, no.
Yo, it's my human race, okay?
Oh yeah. Yeah, they're fine.
Wait, no.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Alright, since I feel bad, I'll just dip these in real quick. I'll be getting on the boost. There we go.
Oh, it's coming off, thank God.
Well, alright, that's the way to end the video. I did not mean to do that.
It's it. Not my human race, bro.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I mean, it's coming off.
Yeah. Okay. Well, see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.